Hi, we're back with another Me Moment. Today we'd like to talk to you about Safco's TaskMaster Economy and Deluxe Industrial Chairs. Hang tough with the TaskMaster Industrial Chair. With 15-year warranty, these chairs provide the adjustability and comfort for performing your best. The TaskMaster offers an overall height of 17 to 35 inch with 8 inch of pneumatic lift and an additional 10 inches with our wave tube extension, as well as lever control and ergo knobs for even more adjustability. Each chair also features 5-leg tubular steel base with high-impact nylon glides, as well as sturdy and ergonomically correct polypropylene footrests that mount securely to the base. Covered with black microcellular self-skinning polyurethane foam, the TaskMaster provides the extra comfort you'll need while working. Perfect for assembly, receiving, production, and inspection jobs, TaskMaster will make tough work easier and more comfortable. This has been another Me Moment. Please join us again to find out how Safco can help you work hard and play harder.